Need your BingX User ID for customer support, referrals, or account verification? Finding it in 2026 only takes a few seconds. Open the BingX official website or launch the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile icon in the top corner of the screen to open your account dashboard. Look for a selection label UID, User ID, or Account ID. Your unique identification number is usually displayed near your username, email address, or profile information. On some versions of the app, you may need to open profile, account settings, or personal information to see it. Once you find your user ID, you can tap the copy icon to save it to your clipboard for easier sharing with customer support or for account-related requests. Remember, your user ID is different from your email address, phone number, or referral code. And that's how you find your BingX user ID in 2026. Keep it handy whenever you need assistance from support or need to verify your account details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.